Solar panel cleaner robot. Along with being non-polluting, solar energy is also a cost-effective way of generating renewable electricity. However, keeping solar panels clean is essential as accumulation of dirt hampers the efficiency of power generation. Although manually cleaning solar panels can be tedious and hazardous. So, this solar panel cleaner robot uses water jets and a roller brush to clean solar panels and maintain their efficiency. Arduino Ultraviolet COVID Disinfection Box. SARS-CoV-2 is capable of surviving on plastic or metal surfaces for as long as 7 days. Complete sanitization is essential to reduce the chance of infection. However, conventional liquid-based sanitizers can't be used on electronics or paper we touch. This DIY Arduino disinfection box uses UV to kill viruses without water or chemicals. Indoor hydroponic grow chamber. Conventional methods of agriculture require large open spaces and massive quantities of water for irrigation. As climate change worsens, we need to find more sustainable ways to feed the growing population. This 5-layer hydroponic planter can accommodate over 100 plants in a relatively small area. Lidar micro drone. Today, drones are widely used for a variety of purposes. However, drones are costly and are highly prone to damage while flying. Also, drones need a lot of clear space to fly and cannot be flown in narrow lanes or dense forest. Well, this drone integrates lidar in a micro-sized drone. This helps us study obstacle avoidance while flying in dense forest or compact spaces. Fog Handwash Machine. COVID experts have advised to wash hands as many times as possible. But does every reason afford the luxury of wasting so much water in hand washing? 1 in 5 children globally does not have enough water to meet their everyday needs. Well, here is an innovation that saves over 95% of water on every hand wash. Automatic Sketching Machine Project. Sketching by hand can be cumbersome and tedious process. Moreover, sketching manually also increases the room for error. This automatic sketching machine based in Arduino can sketch accurately and effortlessly. Using 2 stepper motors and a servo motor, this system automatically draws sketches, thus minimizing the human effort required. Arduino Snake Bot. Humans and 4-wheel robots cannot inspect tight spaces. This includes narrow industrial pipes, drains, wall, and flooring. The IR Vision is a smart snake bot that crawls such narrow spaces with a camera.